document understanding, document intake is not a new problem, right? It's a decades-old problem, and insurance companies, in many ways, are fueled by documents. It is a document-centric business. Why do you think it's been so difficult a problem to solve historically, and why you kind of talk about the importance of solving this to MetLife in terms of your overall, operational efficiency goals?
Yeah, sure. The statement piece here is we've identified almost $100 million in hard dollar saves that we can very quite easily achieve over the next 3 to 4 years using unstructured data digitization and analytics tools. So, that's just like the headline of how impactful this is. Why does MetLife, a very old insurer, need this kind of solution? We're a 152-year-old company. And as you can imagine, up until very recently, it's been a non-digital world, right? And so we have just millions and millions of pages of unstructured content, whether they be long-form contracts or messy documents that don't have a standard template or standard structure. And even, more recently, half digital and half non-digital documents, invoices and, scanned fax forms and all this other kind of stuff. It's just a huge mountain of data that's out there. And at the same time, MetLife has invested a significant amount in our data science population, right? So we have a ton of data scientists that are here to just drive support change and to drive new insights and things like that. And so the most important thing for these data scientists is data. And up until very recently, all that data has been locked away, and we've been unable to do anything with it, save for a very manually intensive and time-consuming exercise of going through this, as a regular person. But that's just not scalable. So the problem has been there for a very long time. We've been looking to try to solve for this for a very long time. And going forward, the only way we can maximize our investment in our data science population and maximize the investment in how we want to grow differentiation is by being able to unlock the insights and the information inside of this unstructured data. So that's why it's very important to us, right? As I mentioned, in our COE model, we have identified nearly $100 million in use cases that we would be able to very easily achieve over the next 3 to 4 years. So, from a automation perspective, I see it personally as our opportunity to show the rest of the world, hey, automation, this is not a fad, right? This is here to stay, and it's literally changing everything we think about with respect to our internal operations, with respect to how we're able to achieve and unlock data and more. So, it's a very exciting thing.